Let's see what are the house plants that are trending in year 2024. Most of us gardeners love these plants right throughout the year 2024. So I will suggest you some of the plants which are trending. So this is Pothos plants, which are everybody's favorite, and every gardener have this, and there are many varieties too. Pothos is very favorite because this is one of the feng shui plants, and it's a trending plant because of its value for the feng shui. Lucky plant. The varieties, this is the marble queen pothos. So pothos plants are trending plants for the year 2024. Another trending plant in year 2024 is the snake plant. Snake plant is an air purifier plant. Due to that, many people love adding this plant in their garden. So these snake plants are said to bring good luck too, and in feng shui also this is considered as a lucky plant. So you can add this plant as a house plant or as an outdoor plant. And also along with that we have the CC plant, which is a trending plant. It is also very famous among every gardener because they are said to bring good luck. So this is because of a feng shui plant and also a good luck plant, and also one of the easy growing plants. So CC plant also a trending plant. Another beautiful trending house plants are the Singonium plants. Out of many varieties, here is the pink Singonium. This year this plant is very much famous among all the gardeners. So this is also another trending plant in the year 2024, and it's a easy growing plant. Another beautiful trending plants are these beautiful Swiss cheese plants. These are also trending and also very famous among every gardener, and this is one of the trending house plants. They are so beautiful and elegant looking, and also one of the best house plants. Another beautiful decorative house plants is this aloe vera. Aloe vera plants also trending and also very famous among every gardener. Every garden these beautiful aloe vera plants are there because they are medicinal, and also there are many uses of the plant. So aloe gel being used for gardening as well as a rooting hormone. So this is very beneficial of having in the garden. So this is one of the plant that is trending. Another beautiful variegated leafy plant, a trending plant, is the spider plant. They are also very famous because they are easy to grow and multiply, and also one of the air purification plants. So this is also another trending plant and also one of the very famous plant too. So have this plant also in your garden in the year 2024. Another beautiful and also trending plants are these lucky bamboo plants. Since they are very easy to grow and easy to multiply, these plants are everybody's favorite. You can propagate them in water very easily to multiply these plants. So have this plant also, and also keep it in your home as an indoor plant, or else in your outdoor garden as an outdoor plant. These plants decor your home. So this is another trending house plant. Such a beautiful plant, isn't it?